Locker 27356. Let's do this thing. Boy, I did want to start getting a little lippy, but you know. Once I saw that guy punch the wall, I'm like, all right, I'm out of my depth. 4 and 5. Broncos top. Falcons bottom. That is 5 times. Yeah, he punched that wall. I was like, okay. These Geelong Cats are a different crowd there. They're not going to just sit there and comment like an Essendon crowd would. All right. Will, did that say properly? Who knows? Here it is. Hey, that's nice. Detroit Pistons era, Dennis Rodman. I probably should have searched Pistons because it's a team one. Pisto. He did what in his cup? 6-6. T-Pab, congratulations. Very nice. And that is Locker 27356. Rude. All right, Locker 27356.